Hey sticker lover, this is HighFoot Review. Today we are unboxing and review the iconic sneaker, Air Jordan 4 Retro Frozen Moment. Before we started unboxing, if you want to grab your favorite sneaker, this video is officially sponsored by HighFoot.io, a fantastic website that provides top quality replica sneakers, clothes, and accessories. If you want to buy anything, this website, all information like WhatsApp number, website link in my description box. Go and check it out. Get some nice sneaker for you. Let's get started. Music vibe unboxing.